Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert Celsius degree symbol on your Microsoft Excel, on your web, on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert Celsius degree symbol in Microsoft Excel web. So if you are just going inside the insert option, there is no insert symbol or special character options or present here. So instead of that, you can use your keyboard shortcut. So how to use the keyboard shortcut? The first way is, so you just want to press Windows key plus dot symbol. So after pressing the Windows key on the keyboard with dot symbol, it will open this dialog box, and here click on the symbol option, and now you just need to choose the first option called general punctuation, then scroll down and you can find the degree symbol. The second way to make this C and degree symbol, so you just want to type as alt 0176. Okay, now you just want to type cap C and just type alt, just press the alt key and 0176, so it automatically creates this, and you can just make it as a small c so it look like this. If you want to like this, you can use this, otherwise you can use this Windows dot shortcut and you can just insert degree symbol for the Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made by Unique. Have a wonderful day.